Last time I showed you guys some acupressure technique, how to home maintenance your body for ache and pain, neck and shoulder pain. Today I'm going to show you some castor oil moisture heat treatment. You can do it at home to continue maintenance your body, make your neck and shoulder or whatever area you got stiffness muscle. It can help you to relax it a little bit more. So it's very simple procedure, but it's very messy. So what we need to prepare, first we need to have a castor oil, of course. The castor oil, we like to use the pure castor oil. It doesn't matter what brand you buy, okay? Cold press castor oil, pure castor oil. And then the next thing is a warm towel, wet warm towel, and a dry towel. And then of course it's a heat treatment, so you need a heat pad. So go to get a little bit better quality heat pad. Don't try to get those timer kind, cheapy one, as if it's short circuit, you might get burned. Usually it's very safe, but sometimes it can cause second or third degree burn if you don't pay attention. Especially during the treatment, you don't want to take any pain medication or alcohol or smoke anything, because those things can decrease your sensitivity, so you won't feel the heat. So it might cause second or third degree burn. So, okay, now we're going to start the treatment. Starting very simple, just a little bit castor oil, put in your hand, about 2 teaspoons. I usually just use one hand, and then put in the area. It's tight, get tension. You can see it's very sticky situation in here. So cover the area you want to relax and loosen up. You can get your friend, some family member help you if it's a lower back or upper back issue. If it's just arm and shoulder, you can do it yourself. It's very good for carpal tunnel syndrome. I show a lot of my clients with carpal tunnel syndrome. They can do it at home for themselves. And then we're going to put a wet towel covering the area. That's where the moisture comes from. Cover the whole area you need to treat. And then put a dry towel. The dry towel is very important because it's like a barrier between the wet and your heat pad. Electric and heat and water, it doesn't work well together. You don't want to get shot. So put the heat pad on, and then you can turn on the control. This is a handheld control, so you need to give the hold on to it. For me, I will give it to my client. Just squeeze this, hold on to it. Yep. If it's too hot, let go, okay? And the next thing you can do is you can put other towel on top and tuck it in, or pillowcase or something. This is created a pressure, so the heat will penetrate deeper. You feel comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
So now we can just relax and take a good nap. The treatment takes about 20 minutes and no more than 40 minutes. In the clinical setting, when I work with my client, I usually just do it for 20 minutes. Because after 20 minutes, we clean it up, undo it, then we're going to do other half-hour massage. So total is 1 hour treatment. But at home, you can keep it on for about 20 to 40 minutes, depending on how much time you have. And then afterward, you can just wipe it off, clean it up. Very simple. But every 5 to 10 minutes, you got to come back and double check. Make sure it's not overheat. Look at the skin color and see any change. So now we just let her take a good nap in here, okay? Okay, now after about 20 minutes, I'm going to double check, make sure everything is okay and don't overheat you. So make sure just gently clean up your castor oil. You don't want to wipe it because your skin's very sensitive right now with all those heat. So what I usually do, I just tap it dry. Feel okay? Get all the excess extra castor oil out of the surface, your skin. Then you're good to go. Yeah, you can feel the muscles loosening up. How do you feel?
Feels good.
Okay, cool. So now we are done. See you out there, okay?
Okay.
Well, before I came in, I had a lot of tension in my back and just needed to relax and relieve the tension. So during the massage, it felt really relaxing with the heat and the castor oil, and now I feel all loose and free and relaxed.